A perfect storm. How hot weather and lower renewables output are driving up European power prices. Imagine a scenario where the sun beats down relentlessly, yet solar power production is on the decline. Sounds counterintuitive, right? But that's exactly what's happening in Europe, where a heat wave is coinciding with lower renewable energy output, sending power prices soaring. At the epicenter of this crisis is Germany, where both wind and solar supply are dwindling. According to LSEG analyst Xulon He, we expect an overall bullish outlook in Germany. Both wind and solar supply are decreasing. This decrease in renewable energy production has led to a surge in day-ahead power prices, with French baseload power for Thursday rising by 4.3% to 97.0 euros, 113.49 megawatt-hour, and the equivalent German contract jumping by 18.4% to trade at 111.3 euros per megawatt-hour. But here's where it gets interesting. Despite the heat wave, French nuclear availability has actually increased by 2 percentage points to stand at 69% of installed capacity. However, this gain is offset by capacity losses at several reactors due to higher water temperatures used for cooling systems. France relies heavily on nuclear power, which accounts for a whopping 70% of its electricity consumption. Meanwhile, in the renewable energy sector, German wind generation is expected to plummet to 4.5 gigawatts from 9.1 gigawatt day on day, while German solar output will likely decline to 17.6 gigawatts from 18.5 gigawatts. This decrease in renewable energy production is happening at a time when demand is on the rise, with German demand predicted to gain 800 megawatts day on day to 53.5 gigawatts. But what's driving this surge in demand? The answer lies in the heat wave that's gripping Europe. As temperatures soar, people are turning to air conditioning and other cooling systems to stay cool, leading to a spike in power consumption. And this is the part most people miss. The heat wave is not just affecting power prices, but also the overall energy market. According to a quarterly report from trading platform Trayport, traded European gas volumes, over-the-counter and at key hubs and bourses, were up 53% year-on-year between April and June 2025. Those of power were up 36%, of coal 6%, and of emissions were up 11%. The report cites heat waves in June as the primary driver of increased power demand, which in turn pulled the other markets up along. But amidst this chaos, there's a glimmer of hope. Germany's solar industry is warning against ending subsidies for new rooftop photovoltaic systems, as proposed by the economy minister. This move could have far-reaching consequences for the renewable energy sector, and it's a topic that's sure to spark heated debate. So what do you think? Should governments continue to subsidize renewable energy projects, or is it time to let the market dictate the pace of innovation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And as the energy landscape continues to evolve, one thing is clear. The future of power production is uncertain, and it's up to us to shape it. German energy network operator E.ON is calling on the energy regulator to raise future returns on grid investments, a move that could have significant implications for the industry as a whole. As we navigate this complex web of energy production, consumption, and regulation, one thing is certain. The stakes are high, and the consequences of our actions will be felt for generations to come.